The Notepad, Windows-free text editor, is also a competent code editing program. And with this, you can use some simple Windows commands in Notepad to create a file that will shut down your computer when you run it. So in this short video tutorial, we will show you exactly how to do that. So firstly, open Notepad by searching it. Type in the following on the first line. Then add a timer by adding the following on the command. Then additionally, you can also add a personal message by adding the following on the command. Like for an example, you can type it in like this. Now once done, click the File tab, select Save As, add the file name, and then also add .bat on the end of the file name. Then you have to save the file. Now, you can run the newly created file to run your shutdown process. And that's how you can shut down your computer using a notepad.bat file. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.